Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will learn about two DB2 skill function, that is LTRIM and RTRIM. So first of all, I will go with the strSQL command to reach the SQL screen. Now I will show you the table with some data that we will use for the demonstration of LTRIM and RTRIM function. So my table is, I'm writing the query for displaying the data, that is select star from student PF. So this is the data that we have in our PF or file. That is, it contains a student ID, student names, marks, and DOP. So mainly we will be using this field, that is a student name, for understanding the concept of LTRIM and RTRIM function. Okay, so first of all, we will talk about LTRIM function. So LTRIM function is mainly used to truncate the spaces or to remove the spaces from left side. So if we see, like if we observe carefully, then we can see that in for the record of student ID 4 and 5, there are some left there are some white spaces in the left side. So if you want to remove these spaces while displaying on a screen, then in that case what we will do, we will use this ltrim function. Okay, so what ltrim function will do, it will remove these white spaces from the name. And same goes with the rtrim function, it removes the spaces from right hand side. So if you want to remove spaces from white spaces from right side, then you can you make use of rtrim function. And if you want to remove the white spaces from left of the string, then you can use ltrim function. Now we will see this practically. So for that, what we will do, we can write like this: select, then ltrim, that is my function, opening parenthesis, and then put the field name. My name field name is uh, stu name, close the parenthesis, and then from and file name. My file name is student pf. Now once I hit enter, it will show me all the student name. But if you observe carefully, then here the third and fourth record is displaying without the left hand side spaces. So what ltrim do, ltrim will remove all those white spaces from left side, and that's why we see the name equally, like as we have for the first three records, similarly we have for the last two records. So that's how we can use ltrim function to remove the left side spaces. Now if I replace this ltrim with rtrim, then what it will do, it just just replace this L with R and hit enter. So now what it will do, it will remove the spaces from right hand side. At the time we can't observe this, but when you make use of this rtrim function in your program, then you can easily identify that it removes the spaces from right hand side. Here we can see that there are some left spaces because we are not using ltrim, otherwise it will get truncated, but we are using rtrim, that's why only the right side spaces is removed. So that's how we can make use of ltrim and rtrim function. And if you want to select the field name from the db2 uh, like query, so what you can do, you can take f4 on the query, and from here you can directly select or specify the field name. So just click on select field and take F4, so it will show all the fields on which you want, like from here you can select any field on which you want to apply the ltrim and rtrim function. Okay, so that's all for this session. In this session mainly we have discussed about the basic use of ltrim and rtrim function. In the upcoming session we will discuss some more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.